How to upload your own content to Zedge Marketplace. First of all, open the Zedge app and tap on the profile icon labeled My Zedge at the bottom right corner. Make sure you are logged into your Zedge account. Tap on the upload section from the profile page, then tap the plus upload button. This will open the browser. Here, tap on Upload More and select a file from your device that you want to add to the marketplace. You can upload wallpapers, ringtones, notification sound, or other media types. Choose the type of content you want to upload. Add a title, description, and relevant tags to help users find your content easily. Make sure to follow Zedge guidelines for content quality and copyright rules. After filling in all the details, tap Submit or Upload to send your content for review. Zedge will review your submission, and once approved, your content will be available for millions of users to download and enjoy. Now you know how to upload your own content to Zedge Marketplace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.